take it away, feeling too good.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a brand new wig that I got from IC Hair, and it came in this beautiful hot pink box, which I absolutely love. And here's a few goodies. So of course, lashes, information card about the M cap, 2 wig caps, and additional accessories, for example, combs and the wig band, which I very much appreciate, and of course this cute bonnet. Alright guys, so here's a close-up of the hair, and it's absolutely beautiful. It is a yaki straight wig, and it reminds me of relaxed hair because it has that texture, which I love. And as you guys can see, this is a pre-cut wig, so it's pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, which obviously makes it easier to just wear and go. There's 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back area near the nape, so this will prevent your wig from sliding backwards if you choose not to use glue or anything. And then of course an adjustable strap in the middle. So the texture of this wig, you guys, is just stunning. Okay, it reminds me of relaxed hair. This is 180 density, 24 inches in length, and it's beautiful. So right now I'm going to try it on. My hair is in a low bun in this wig cap. You guys already know I don't do anything underneath my wig caps. My hair is always in a low bun of some sort. I don't know how to cornrow, and I just prefer to have my hair loose rather than manipulate it into braids. And that way I can just tend to it after I take off this wig. I can easily moisturize and seal and go to bed. Okay, so right now I'm securing the wig using the combs on both sides. I also used the one at the nape area just to secure it because you know I don't use glue to secure my wigs. I don't use glue at all. So I want to really test this out and see how secure it is. Right now I'm using my bronzer just to kind of blend the lace a little bit into my skin. That way it's not so potent on my forehead. And of course, middle part always, that's my signature look. I love a middle part. So this wig is feeling really secure on my head right now. I'm tugging at it and it's not moving at all. So now it's time to melt the lace, and you guys know I don't use any glue or anything to secure my wigs, but this right here, this foaming mousse really helps to melt the lace into my forehead, making it super undetectable. I don't know what's in this foaming mousse, but it just works for me and I always do it. So right now I'm just gonna lay it down with my headband so that it can kind of melt while I flat iron my hair, and this just always works for me. So I'm gonna secure it and then we're gonna move into flat ironing.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right.
So the flat ironing process is complete, so let's see what this wig looks like. And right now I'm just removing the wig band so I can see the flawless melt, because girl, every single time without fail, Cream of Nature foaming mousse just melts my lace like no other. It's a staple. It's a staple. So right now I'm just cleaning up my parts with my concealer and of course my wax stick to help smooth any flyaways, bring more shine back into my hair, and it just adds the finishing touches to any install that I do. But honestly, I really love how this wig turned out. It was super easy to install and it's beautiful. And of course, all the links to products and the direct hair link to this wig will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.